Alright, hey guys. Kind of dealing here with a project that I'm working on, and this is the homemade CNC controller for a giant Gerber 600. And we have these motors here, which I've upgraded from these old ones that are 30 years old that are kind of wore out. I've moved the gears off of those, put them onto these new ones that I had custom made. So X, Y, and Z. Here's my custom controller with a shield that I made. These are the actual drivers. These are running into these are running into controllers, which kind of come down, connect to the motors, so I can go ahead and connect them to whatever. 24 volt, 8 amp power supply, and of course that's connected. So I've been having problems with it, with the motors not working right, and right now they're good. The Z motor though is really heating up. It's hotter than I want it to be, and I'm not exactly sure why, but it's down to about 130 degrees, 120, whatever. But these ones here, beautiful. This one overheated. But I wanted to show you something, because this is the coolest thing in the world. Go ahead and give this power. 1 second. Alright, so it's powered. Let's see, I got a program loaded into here. Watch this. That is the most beautiful song I've ever heard. Big ass giant motors just cranking away. All I got to do now is figure out the overheating problem on this bad boy, because as you can see, it's slowly heating up again. And that bothers me. But homemade controller. It's alive. Woohoo!